I will discuss some key issues and challenges in the Philippines and how they connect to the principles of our Constitution. First, we have the economic development. Second, we have the minority rights. The third, we have the power deconcentration. The fourth one, the better governance. And the fifth one, the spreading growth. And next, we have the following challenges continue to hinder progress. The first one, we have the corruption. Second one, poor law enforcement. Third one, lack of transparency. And the fourth one, wealth polarization. And the fifth one is the weak human rights protection. And the sixth is the military political involvement. And lastly, insurgency in southern Mindanao.